I'm really glad to be here talking about the ring as a piece of public art on the university campus.
This ring has been in development for over 2.5 years with lots of community engagement. This is as a result of recommendations and work from the Truth and Reconciliation Commission report that Ryerson put out.
The ring is one way we are putting indigeneity front of mind for all community members.
For us as architects, as Indigenous architects, our work is really about gathering voices. And this is a lot of the work, the forework that we did in order to make sure that this monument, this ring, is aligned with the Indigenous community here at Ryerson.
What public art does is it opens up a space for questions. The university now is engaged in multiple conversations about best ways to move forward together.
It can assist in bridging cultures and creating awareness about the rich, vibrant cultures that First Nations had prior to colonization and the residential school system.
There's something really beautiful about the purity of a circle. It resonates with Indigenous cultures around the world. We think about things in a cyclical way, so it aligns with that. And then the 7 grandparent teachings that are on the ring in perforations, which are meant to mimic stars and the celestial bodies, are really another reflection of our understanding of how to treat people, but also how we exist within this larger landscape.
How can we best shape the future for communities, for land, for how we get along at the university community?
My hope is that this piece, along with all of our efforts and hard work, will bring to life our university's values and contribute to building a welcoming and inclusive community for all.
It's something I can walk past, other Indigenous people can walk past, and have a sense of pride and representation, a sense of knowing that Ryerson really is about moving forward through reconciliation. It means a great deal to me.